Rhinoceros Snake. Facts about the Vietnamese long-nosed snake. Slithering through the treetops with its iconic horned snout, the rhinoceros snake is as mysterious as it is beautiful. Here's what makes it so special. The rhinoceros snake, Rhinoceros snake, also known as the Vietnamese long-nosed snake or Boulenger's keelback, is a unique and fascinating species of snake found in parts of Southeast Asia. The most striking feature is its elongated, horn-like appendage on its snout, which gives it the name a rhinoceros snake, typically bright green with a lighter underside, helping it blend into foliage. Some individuals may have blue or turquoise hues. Adults grow to about 3 to 4 feet, 1 to 1.2 meters, in length. Smooth, keeled scales, ridged texture, aid in climbing. Found in northern Vietnam, southern China, Guangxi, Yunnan, and possibly Laos. Lives in humid forests, mountainous regions, and near streams or rivers. Often found in trees or bushes but also moves on the ground. Unlike many snakes, it is primarily active during the day, feeds mainly on small vertebrates, including frogs, lizards, and occasionally small mammals or birds. It is not venomous and subdues prey by constriction or simply swallowing it alive. Females lay clutches of 5 to 10 eggs, which hatch after about 2 months. Hatchlings are more brownish or grayish, turning green as they mature. Currently listed as least concern, but habitat destruction and the pet trade may pose threats. It is considered a rare and protected species in some regions. Its green coloration helps it camouflage among leaves, avoiding predators like birds of prey. Though sometimes kept as exotic pets, breeding in captivity is challenging. Belongs to the Colubridae family, related to other Asian keelback snakes. From its emerald scales to its mythical horn, the rhinoceros snake reminds us that even in the darkest jungles, magic still slithers silently.